I found myself recently answering a lot of questions about first aid and trauma response. I wanted to make a little video talking about what I carry on my bike when I go out in the backcountry. I'd also say that you should prioritize based on the situation you're going to be in. Are you going to be in a foreign country for a long period of time, or are you just going out on a weekend ride with your buddies? Pack what you need, don't bring anything else. Don't get yourself confused. So let's go through my bag. My bag is broken down into two parts inside one small plastic bag. Those items are for major trauma, which I hope to never open, and just general everyday, what I would call a boo-boo kit. My boo-boo kit carries over-the-counter medications. These are the things that you know that you're going to need all the time. Antacids, Benadryl, aspirin, non-aspirin, ibuprofen, moleskin, and Band-Aids. You can pack all of that into a little tiny bag and keep it for any time that you need it. Inside of my larger plastic bag, I keep a small trauma kit. I got this one from a company called 3C Medical or Mod Outfitters. It has everything packaged in it that I might need for a massive hemorrhage or an airway problem. Go ahead and familiarize yourself with the items that you keep in your first aid kit. Make sure you know how to use them before you decide to deploy it. And then of course I always keep at hand one cat tourniquet. Now I've actually used these, and I've actually used it on myself before in the past. It's really not as bad as everyone says, and it could save your life. Go out and take a Stop the Bleed class. Make sure that you buy yourself a good cat tourniquet from a reputable source, that you're not buying one off Amazon and getting a cheap copy that might break when you need to use it. A great acronym to always know is SMARCH. That's safety, massive hemorrhage, airway, respiration, circulation, and hypothermia. SMARCH. I also carry a pair of non-latex nitrile gloves because you never know who or what you're going to need to stick your hand into. Here's the bare bones list of what I keep in my bag. It's a large pouch with two plastic bags inside of it. One is my boo-boo kit and two is the trauma kit. Boo-boo kit carries Band-Aids, moleskin, aspirin, non-aspirin, ibuprofen, a whole list of topicals. That's going to be hydrocortisone cream, triple antibiotic, and iodine. It's a PVP. I also have little Band-Aids in there, some nitrile non-latex gloves as far as the trauma side goes. There's a chest seal. There's two things of wound packing gauze and quick clot or a hemostatic agent. There's also a elastic bandage and a thermal blanket for hypothermia. I package it all with one silica gel pouch. I can take this out, I can throw it in the microwave, and it keeps all of the moisture out of my bag. I roll that up, throw it in my bag somewhere, and keep it close at hand. Thanks for watching this video and what I carry with me on my bike as far as medical equipment goes. If you have anything that you've added to yours that I might not have covered, or if you have any questions about what you carry in your own bag, go ahead and drop a comment in below, and I will 100% respond back to it. Thanks again, and see you on the next one.